In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run Facebook ads for Shopify. If you're an e-commerce entrepreneur looking to drive more traffic and boost sales through Facebook, you're in the right place. We'll guide you through the process, ensuring everything's set up smoothly. So let's dive right in. The journey begins by connecting your Shopify store to Facebook. This is achieved through the Facebook sales channel within Shopify. This particular step integrates your Facebook account with your Shopify store, setting the stage for seamless ad creation and management. Once the connection is established, you'll find that setting up the Facebook pixel becomes automatically integrated, thanks to the Facebook sales channel. The Facebook pixel is crucial as it tracks customer interactions on your Shopify site, feeding vital data back to Facebook for optimized ad targeting. Next, you'll need to log into Facebook Ads Manager. This is the command center for all your advertising activities on Facebook. Once in the Ads Manager, it's time to create a new campaign. Here, you'll want to choose a campaign objective that aligns with your goals. Consider selecting objectives like conversions or sales, which are particularly effective for online stores aiming to convert clicks into actual purchases. With your campaign objective set, you'll move on to defining your target audience. Take your time with this step. Here, you can specify demographics, interests, or even use custom audiences based on previous interactions. Be as precise as possible. A well-targeted ad is more likely to resonate and convert. After honing in on your audience, you must decide on ad placements. You have the option to choose specific placements manually or let Facebook automatically place your ads where they'll perform best. Budgeting is key for any ad campaign, so the next step is to set your budget and schedule. Decide on the amount you're willing to spend daily or over a lifetime budget and choose when you want your ads to run. Careful budgeting ensures that your ads can reach their potential without unexpectedly draining your finances. Now, for the creative part, creating your ad. Use compelling product images or videos directly from your Shopify store. Visuals play a significant role in capturing your audience's attention and can significantly impact the ad's success. Make sure to include a clear call to action. This should be a direct link to your Shopify product or collection page, guiding potential customers easily to make a purchase. Finally, before going live, take the time to review your campaign in its entirety. Check all settings, creatives, targeting, and links to ensure everything is in place and functioning as expected. Once you're satisfied, go ahead and publish your campaign, and there you have it. By following these steps, you're all set to run effective Facebook ads that drive traffic to your Shopify store. Thanks for tuning in, and good luck with your advertising journey.